everyone, welcome to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School Khargon. I am Kritika Paliwal and you are going to study English with me. Alright? So winters have come, right? Take care of your health. And today we will be completing the remaining exercise of chapter number 14, Am, Is and Are. Okay? So open your first term fancy book. Fast. Okay, your pansy number 1. All right, page number 57. Why page 57? Now you will ask me, we have done the fill in the blanks wala exercise, right? But I have given you 5 questions in homework, so I am doing it for you on the board. You have to check whether you have done it correctly or not. Okay, so first you open page 57, sharp your pencils, do it fast. Page 57, fast. Okay children, so sentence number 11, she dash never late. Okay, sentence number 11 of question number A. She dash never late. She dash never late. Now children, I hope you have not forgot the rules. She comes under the singulars, right? She, here we are talking about only singular noun, right? Sorry, not noun. She is a singular pronoun. So she, with she, what helping verb are we going to use? We are going to use is. So the sentence is like she is never late. Alright? So check whether you have done it correctly or not. Then sentence number 12. Agra dash a city on the banks of the Yamuna. Agra dash a city. So guys, here we are talking about only one city. So now you think what helping verb should come here. Till then I am completing the sentence. On the banks. On the banks of the Yamuna. Do you know what is Yamuna? Yamuna is a river. Okay. Now Agra dash a city on the banks of Yamuna. Now what is mean by banks here? Bank, वो वाले बैंक की बात नहीं हो रही इधर SBI and all. Okay. Banks means आगरा जो है यमुना नदी के किनारे पर बसी हुई एक सिटी है. So आगरा dash a city. Now here we are talking about only one city, right? So our subject is singular. So with singular subjects we use is in the present tense, right? So Agra is a city on the banks of the Yamuna. Is it clear? I hope आपने भी is ही fill up किया हो. अगर नहीं किया तो रब करिए और करेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब से फिल करिए. ऑलराइट. देन नंबर 13. She dash fond of tea and coffee. She dash fond of tea and coffee. COFFE. So she. Okay. Here also she was there. Here also she is a subject. She is a singular subject. With singular subjects we use is. Right. So she पसंद करना. Like if I tell you something about myself, I am fond of listening to music and I am fond of singing. मुझे सिंगिंग करना और मुझे म्यूजिक सुनना बहुत पसंद है. ठीक है, ये मैंने बात करी अपने बारे में. इधर द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस इज शी इज फॉन्ड ऑफ टी एंड कॉफी. उसे टी और कॉफी बहुत पसंद है. ठीक है. देन नंबर 14, विनीता एंड विमला डैश माय क्लासमेट्स. विनीता एंड विमला dash my classmates. Okay, so Vinita or Vimla, here we have two people, right? So our subject is not singular. Our subject now is plural, and with plural subjects what do we use? We use are. ठीक है, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? हम are यूज करते हैं as a helping verb, and here are is playing the part of a main verb, right? So Vinita and Vimla are my classmates. If I translate this in Hindi, what is the meaning? Vinita or Vimla मेरे classmates है. Vinita and Vimla are my classmates. Here we are having plural subjects. That is why we are using are. Okay? Okay. Then number 15, I dash 10 years old. 10 years old. Okay, so very simple. Our subject here in this sentence, our subject is I, and whenever I comes, we do not have to give it a second thought. Okay, सोचना भी नहीं पड़ता है. I के साथ what do we use? We use am. So I am 10 years old. Okay, so this was your homework. Now I hope कि you had filled it up as it is, as I have filled up. Okay, I hope आपने भी इसी तरह से fill up किया होगा अपना homework. अगर नहीं किया है तो correct करिए. अगर थोड़ी कुछ गलती हो गई तो please correct it. I am getting aside. Okay. So I am reading the sentences for you once again. She is never late because she here is the singular subject. Agra is a city on the banks of the Yamuna. Agra, here also Agra is our singular subject. She, once again she is also singular subject. That is why she is. Vinita and Vimla. Now our subjects are plural, so we are using are with it. And I am 10 years old. Whenever I comes, we use am as the helping verb. Now fill it up fast, then we will move on to the next question. Okay children, so now we will move on to page number 58. Page 58. Okay, question number B. Page 58, question number B. Just a moment. Give me some time to rub it out. So question number B is a interesting question. Sorry, it is an interesting question. B. Write the words in the correct box. So question number B wants us to write the words in the correct box. Now you are given a box in that question, and there some words are given. Let me write those words for you. Just a minute. So in the box, a bee. Just a moment. 4 insects. Okay, a frog. Hope you have opened page number 58 of your Pansy 1. Okay, page 58 of Pansy number then an insect, then two frogs, and at the end a mouse. Okay children, so two columns are given to you in your book. Column 1, in column 1 there is, okay, and then there are. So earlier in the previous question what we have done, we have filled up the helping verbs, right? We have filled up the helping verbs according to the subject given to us. अभी इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है? What we have to do in this question? इस क्वेश्चन में हमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब दिया हुआ है, ओके, हमें सब्जेक्ट भी दिया है, सिंगुलर है. अभी हमें देखना है कि सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ हम कौन कौन से वर्ड्स, कौन कौन से सिंगुलर थिंग्स हम here we can fit it up. Okay, so there is right a bee, 4 insects. तो जितने भी सिंगुलर टर्म्स है ना इनमें आपको फिलअप करना है there is के साथ, एंड जितने भी प्लूरल टर्म्स हैं आपको there are के साथ फिलअप करना है. ऑल राइट, सो a bee, first term is a bee. So we are talking about only one bee here. So a bee. So therefore there is a bee. A bee. Okay. Next is 4 insects. Next word is 4 insects. Now 4. It is not singular, right? It is plural. So 4 insects. Therefore there are 4 insects, right? Because with are we use plural number of things. So there are 4 insects. Okay. Then a frog. A frog. Because we are talking about only one frog. Articles में हमने पढ़ा था ना, a and the. Here a bee, a frog. That means only one bee is there. That means only one frog is there, right? Here 4 insects. Okay, so you can see the difference. Then 10 mice. Now 10 mice we cannot fill it up here. We have to fill it up here. Okay. So there are 10 mice. Why? Because 10 mice, they are plural in number. They are more than one. So therefore with are plural things comes. So there are 10 mice. Okay. Then 5 bees. So 5 bees. Where should I fill it up? Here, right? With the plural things. So there are 5 bees. Okay, you fill it up along with me. Then an insect. Next is an insect. Here we are talking about only one insect. So there is an insect. An insect. There is an insect. Now here 2 frogs. Just a moment. Let me adjust the camera. So 2 frogs. Right? So there are 2 frogs because frogs are plural in number. 2 frogs are there, right? So there are 2 frogs. Okay, then the remaining one, a mouse. We are talking about only one mouse here. So there is a mouse. So there is a mouse. Now please fill it up fast in your book. Okay, do it fast. Now we are on page number 58. Okay. Question number B. Write the words in the correct box. Do it fast. pause the screen there only. You can pause the video right there. Okay. So I am going to rub the board. और ज़्यादा टाइम चाहिए तो you can pause the screen. Don't always take screenshots. Okay. It will just fill up the memory of your phone. Stop taking screenshots. Just pause the screen. Okay. Okay. So now we will do question number C. Now we will do question number C. So the question says fill in the blanks with I am, you are and we are. So what does the question says? हमें जो ब्लैंक्स दिए हैं उन्हें फिलअप करना है किन चीजों से? I am से, here I am writing it for you. I am, okay. You are and we are. Okay. So we have to fill in the blanks with I am, you are or we are. So first sentence, dash am Rashmi. So beta here you can see am is there as the verb. Am is there as the helping verb. No, am is there as the main verb. So with am, what subject can come? You, we, no, right? With am, I always comes. So I am Rashmi. Can you see the girl in the picture? See here, she is Rashmi. Okay, this girl is Rashmi. So I am Rashmi. वो कह रही है मैं रश्मि हूँ. Then second sentence. Second sentence is dash dash a girl. Okay. So I am Rashmi. I am a girl. हमें इन्हीं थिंग से फिलअप करना है ना. तो you are a girl we will not say. We are a girl we will not say. रश्मि खुद ही है इधर फर्स्ट पर्सन, राइट? सो I am a girl. I am Rashmi. I am a girl. So what is the meaning of these two sentences? I am Rashmi. मैं रश्मि हूँ. I am a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. Okay. Then second sentence is, I mean the sentence below it is dash are Rohan. Okay beta. So with R, I तो obviously will not come. So we have to select between these two options. You are or we are. We are means हम हैं. Okay. You are means तुम हो. Right. So you are is suitable here. Right. So you are Rohan. तुम रोहन हो. हम रोहन हैं will not be correct. Alright. So तुम रोहन हो. You are Rohan. You are okay. So dash dash a boy. You are Rohan. अभी next we will fill up with the same things. You are a boy. Okay. तुम रोहन हो. तुम एक लड़के हो. So you are a boy. Not we are or not I am. Okay. You are a boy. Then okay, the sentence below it is dash dash twins. Okay. So if I'll fill up I am twins. मैं twins हूँ. नहीं ना बेटा. You are twins. You are means वो सिर्फ रोहन को बोल रहे हैं रश्मि you are twins. तो will it be correct? क्या twin केवल एक ही इंसान होता है? नहीं ना. ट्विन के लिए आपको दो लोग चाहिए होते हैं. ट्विन्स मीन्स जुड़वा. ओके. सो वी आर ट्विन्स. हम दोनों ट्विन्स हैं. राइट. सो आई थिंक दिस इज द करेक्ट वन. वी आर ट्विन्स. तो समझ आया आपको आई एम, यू आर और वी आर का यूज. ओके. आई एम रश्मि. आई एम अ गर्ल. ओके. हियर रश्मि इज द नरेटर. रश्मि इज द स्पीकर, ठीक है, रश्मि जो है वो बोल रही है आई एम रश्मि, आई एम अ गर्ल, यू आर रोहन, यू आर अ बॉय एंड वी आर ट्विंस, ठीक है. सो रश्मि एंड रोहन बोथ आर ट्विंस. देन आई एम राइटिंग द other section for you here. So dash am Ratan, dash am Ratan. So with अभी इसके जैसा ही बेटा सिमिलर पूरा. So with am what subject can we use? With am can we use you or we? No, we can use I and we always use I with am. So I am Ratan. Fill it up fast. Then dash dash a doctor. Okay, I am Ratan. अभी इधर रतन जो है ना, जो डॉक्टर दिख रहा है आपको पिक्चर में, see this doctor. Okay, on page 58 this doctor. So Ratan is the speaker here. रतन बोल रहा है I am Ratan. अभी next जो है वो खुद ही के बारे में बोल रहा है. तो I am Ratan, I am a doctor. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ, right? So I am a doctor. Then dash are Lata. Okay. So with R. Okay, now Ratan जो है वो अभी ये जो नर्स है ना यहाँ पर इनकी बात कर रहा है. So with R, I तो will never come. We have two options. Whether we can fill it up with you or whether we can fill it up with we. So we, let's fill it up with we. What the sentence will become? We are Lata. हम दोनों लता है. That sentence is wrong, right? So you are Lata. तुम लता हो. This is the correct sentence. So you are Lata. Okay. Now this Ratan is telling this to Lata कि you are Lata and dash dash a nurse. Okay, you are Lata dash dash a nurse. तुम लता हो, तुम एक नर्स हो, right? So you are a nurse. You are a nurse. Okay, पहले रतन ने दो सेंटेंसेस में अपने बारे में बताया, नेक्स्ट दो सेंटेंसेस में रतन ने लता के बारे में बताया जो कि एक नर्स है. Then the last sentence dash dash working dash working together. साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. अभी साथ के लिए दो लोगों की जरूरत है या दो से ज्यादा लोगों की जरूरत है, राइट? कोई अकेला इंसान साथ में कैसे काम कर सकता है? So dash dash working together. If I fill it up with you are, तुम साथ में काम कर रहे हो. कौन तुम? Okay, one person cannot work together. So we are working together. Now what will be the meaning of this? We are working together. हम दोनों साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. That sentence is correct, right? So we are working together. So that is our question number C. Now I am getting a set. Please fill it up in your book. So in this question we have become more familiar with the use of I am, you are and we are. इस क्वेश्चन से हम और थोड़े से ज़्यादा familiar हो गए हैं I am, you are और we are के यूज से. ठीक है? Now fill it up fast and soon I am going to end the lecture. And here all the chapter from Pansy number 1 is over now. Okay, all the syllabus from Pansy 1 is over. Now we will start up with Pansy number 2. So children, if you need a little more time, you can pause your YouTube screen. I am getting getting us. I am already aside. You can pause the screen right now. Now I have to end up the lecture. So it's time for me to go. We will meet in the next lecture. Same time, same place and same channel, Gokul Das Public School Khargone, and with the same with another book in my hand. Maybe we will start up our literature chapter. So be ready for that. And one thing that I wanted to tell you is, none of you, I mean only 1 or 2 students are sending me the photographs of the book pages. Okay, I am now in a dilemma whether you are filling up the book or not. Okay, अभी मुझे लग रहा है पता नहीं आप लोग बुक फिलअप कर रहे हैं या नहीं. तो जब भी मैं होमवर्क दूँ, प्लीज एटलीस्ट सेंड मी द होमवर्क. डू द होमवर्क, दैट इज फॉर योर बेटरमेंट ओनली. ओके, so bye bye. On this note I am ending up the lecture here. Bye bye, take care.